Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and when you're seeing this video. Welcome to Dumna's online store. So on today, we're about to package our unbranded peanut to an online customer gotten from Facebook. So join me to measure out her orders. Remember, at Dumna's Peanut, we sell our custard rubber at 10,000 naira only. Whether you are buying in 100 rubbers, 200 rubbers, all our custard rubbers still remains 10,000 naira. So join me to package this order. Remember, this is a groundnut coated with sugar flour and other stuffs embedded in it. Tell me why you haven't ordered this Dumna's Peanuts from Facebook. This is a snack. You can use it to entertain anybody. It is a lucrative business that you can do, whether you are a nursing mom, you are a sit-at-home mom. In fact, as long as you want to keep your hands busy, you can dive into this opportunity. You buy, you rebrand, you sell with your own level. So, what are you waiting for? Remember, tell me who is your online vendor when it comes to peanuts again. So, join me to package this order. So, because of the constant rain these days, everyday rain, they said it's 7 days rain, but this rain has continued to rain every day. So, because of the rain, we put nylon inside our bag before counting the peanuts inside the bag. Remember, a bag contains 16 custard rubbers of our peanut. We also have a bigger bag containing 24 custard rubbers, but this one is 16 custard rubbers. A custard is being sold at 10,000 naira only. So this is me arranging the peanut for the online customer. I don't want driver to come and tell me, madam, you didn't package it well, blah blah blah, the rain fell and stuff like that. So we don't want stories. So we try to package and arrange it. So on the process, somebody just came and bought one custard rubber at 10,000 naira. This is me counting the money. Oh, thank you for your patronage. So we'll continue to arrange these peanuts inside the bag. For this rain, I don't want stories that touches the heart. So join me to package this order. This order is really a bulk purchase. So continue to arrange these orders inside the bag. Two feet. Oh no.